Okay. How many students are here in your class? ईशा, कितने लड़के हैं आपके क्लास में टोटल? प्रवीण, जनार्दन, विजय. How many students are here in your class?
75.
75. Okay, averagely. How many student was present in last class? Have you counted?
45.
45.
44.
Okay, okay, okay. 44. Wait, just till the students are joining, just I will wait. Okay. We are starting our lecture. So आज से मैं आपका डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स यह सब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट करने जा रहा हूँ. मेरा आवाज आ रहा है आपको सभी को क्लियर? Yes, anyone can.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. अगर आवाज खराब आए या उसे मुझे इमीडिएटली चैट पे बोल दिया करो. हाँ, या कुछ वीडियो ट्रबल रहा या मेरी स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाई दे रही है, इमीडिएटली यू कैन रिप्लाई मी, नो प्रॉब्लम. राइट.
Yes, sir.
ओके. आज से हम सेकंड ईयर का डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स यह सब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं. ओके. So I hope you already learn about the signals and systems in your first semester, right? Now This digital electronics is a combination of your many things. It is a basic things required for IT professionals, computer professional, electronics professionals. Okay. So I just share my screen. So I will tell you about the curriculum, what curriculum we'll have. See, you are going to learn about the digital electronics. First of all, I am giving you idea about why the subject is necessary. What are its objectives and outcomes? See, this course is designed to give a brief understanding of the principle of digital techniques and designing of several applications. Okay. This course covers your different types of codes, Boolean's law, SOP, and POS form, K-map, optimizations technique, arithmetic circuits, code converters, multiplexers, demultiplexers, and their applications. Different types of flip-flops and their applications, sequential circuits, ripple counter, synchronous counter, modulo n counter, shift register, and their applications you are going to learn. So this is the main motive of the subject. Main objective of this subject is you will acquire the basic knowledge of digital logic levels and applications. Similarly, you will get a knowledge to understand digital electronic circuits. You will perform and analyze the design of various digital electronic circuits. Okay, these are the objectives. Similarly, outcomes will be you will understand the working of logic gates. You will understand the use of K-map for simplifications. You can design and implement combinational logic circuits and sequential logic circuits. Okay, these are the outcomes of this subject. But before going over the entire subject, okay, starting of the subject, I give you a brief summary about the units. Total 5 units we are going to learn. First unit is a very basics one. I hope in a triple E first year level you learn about the digital electronics, logic gates, flip-flops, all these things you might learn. Okay, उसी का आपको यह एक्सटेंशन रहेगा. आपने बाइनरी, डेसिमल, हेक्साडेसिमल, ऑक्टल, नंबर सिस्टम्स या बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन टू द माइक्रो प्रोसेसर ये लर्न किया होगा ट्रिपल ई में. ओके, तो उसी से रिलेटेड उसी का एक्सटेंशन यह सब्जेक्ट रहेगा हमारा. सो यूनिट 1 is first discussing about the sign and unsigned number, similarly fixed and floating point number. We will learn binary coded decimal system, BCD system, gray code, error detections, corrections, Hamming code, Boolean algebras, De Morgan's theorems, logic expressions, simplifications, okay, as well as a theorem of De Morgan's. These points will cover under Unit 1. Unit 2 is based over the representation of logic functions like SOP and POS form. We will go for understanding of how min term and max terms, don't care conditions, logic functions K-map for 2, 3, 4, and 5 variables, twin McLaxey tabular method for 4 variable. Okay, these points I cover under unit 2. Unit 3 is based over the introduction to combinational logic circuits, adder, subtractor, half full adder, subtractor, their truth tables, logic circuits, BCD arithmetic. Similarly, we will learn comparators. Similarly, we will go for converters, code converters like gray to binary, binary to gray. Similarly, we will learn mux, demux, means 2s to 1, 4s to 1, 8s to 1 multiplexers, demultiplexers, again 1s to 2, 1s to 4, 1s to 8. Also, we will go for understanding of decoders and encoders. Then unit 4 is covering sequential logic circuits. Flip-flop will be the mother of all these things. So that's why here 1-bit memory cell, bistable latch circuits, SR flip-flop, JK, T, D type flip-flop. And from that we will able to design registers, memories. Okay, similarly how you can design the shift registers. Okay, application of that shift registers, counters. Okay, all these things we will learn under the unit 4. And 5th unit is based over the counters, like modulus and recycling of counters, synchronous and asynchronous, up down counters. Similarly, asynchronous counter for 2, 3, and 4 bit. Similarly, up down counters. Okay, there are many things are present, so we will learn all these things under this unit. Now you can refer textbooks in our library. You can see one R.P. Jain, Modern Digital Electronics. This book is available. Similarly, you can refer from reference books like Floyd, Thomas L. Floyd, very good book, Digital Fundamental. Also, for advanced design point of view, you can refer Roth, Charles Roth, Fundamentals of Logic Design. Okay, as well as Wackerly is also best one. Okay, so these books you can refer. Okay, now remember, first of all, ये जो था ये हमारा करिकुलम था. Okay, now to start the subject, first of all I have some questions in my mind, so that's why that I am going to clarify you one by one. Okay, so before that, first of all I am introducing you. Okay, अभी मेरे ख्याल से सभी लोग ज्वाइन हो चुके हैं, इसलिए मैंने मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन भी नहीं दिया था. ओके, सो माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर P.H. Zope. Okay, from Electronics and Telecommunication Department. Okay, I hope your names are already listed, so no need to introduce again yourself. Okay, I will read your names. Okay, so that's why no need, but at least you should know who am I and what's my name. Okay, so My mobile number is also reflected in your WhatsApp group. You can ask me any queries or problems which will be in your mind. Okay. Whenever you have time, you can ask me. No problem, no issue. दूसरी ऐसी बात रहेगी, जो भी मेरा मैं लेक्चर्स वगैरह डिलीवर करूंगा उसका वीडियो भी इमीडिएटली आपको आपके व्हाट्सएप पर आते जाएगा. ओके. मीन्स अगर कोई लेफ्ट आउट हो गया या किसी को ट्रबल रहा, बहुत सारे बच्चे सिटीज के ही है ऐसा नहीं मानता हूं मैं. ओके. मेनी स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम रूरल. ओके. सो बहुत सारे आजू बाजू के जो गांव है उनसे भी बिलोंग्स करते होंगे, वहां पर शायद नेटवर्क्स का प्रॉब्लम शायद रहता होगा. ओके. कुछ अटेंड कर पा रहे हैं या कुछ अटेंड नहीं भी कर पा रहे हैं, डोंट बॉदर अबाउट इट. ओके. मेरा वीडियो देखकर भी वह लोग अटेंडेंस दे पाएंगे. ओके. मोस्टली मैं लेक्चर्स में ही आपका यहाँ अटेंडेंस ले लिया करूंगा. ओके. और जिस दिन मेरा वीडियो रहेगा उसी दिन आप कोशिश करिए कि वो लेक्चर मेरा वीडियो के ऊपर, अगर जो फॉरगेट हो या जो भूल गया तो वो उसी दिन मेरा लेक्चर भी वहां अटेंड कर पाएगा. ओके. लेकिन कंडीशन रहेगी वही दिन. सेकंड थिंग दैट आई वांट टू टेल यू हियर, अभी डिसाइडेड नहीं है कि योर एग्जाम ओके कैसे होगी, बट आई थिंक इट विल बी ऑफ एमसीक्यू टाइप. तो मैं जैसे ही यूनिट फिनिश होते जाएगा तो इमीडिएटली वहां पर आपको एक एमसीक्यू जो यूनिट 1 का रहेगा या यूनिट 2 का रहेगा वो भी आपको वहां पर पास ऑन करते जाऊंगा. ओके. और नोट्स भी आपको वहां पर मिलते रहेंगे. ओके. तो दोनों बातें आपको वहां पर आएगी तो आप उसका स्टडी इमीडिएटली साइड बाय साइड कर पाओगे. ओके. नाउ you are IT engineer or a computer engineer. Okay. Now what is the importance of this subject? Okay. So where your role will be starting. Okay. आपका रोल कहां पर स्टार्ट होता है ये मैं आपको यहाँ पर एक छोटे ब्लॉक डायग्राम के द्वारा बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं इस स्लाइड में. ओके. सो ये जो कंप्यूटर सिस्टम है, ये कंप्यूटर सिस्टम आपका रोल डिफाइन करेगा. ओके. आप एज अ प्रोग्रामर, एज अ आईटी इंजीनियर या एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर वहां पर वर्क करोगे. बट बिफोर दैट आपको वह डेटा कहाँ और कहां से आएगा. ओके. सी, दिस इज द रियल वर्ल्ड. At the beginning, there is a real world. Real world monitoring. Real world monitoring means in our surrounding, there are many type of data are available. Okay, like air, temperature, flow, pressure, humidity, acceleration. Okay, many things are there. Okay, so you can capture all these things as a data. Okay, so you can capture all these things as a data. How you can capture it? With the help of different kind of sensors. Okay, you already learn analog electronics. Okay, you already learn in first semester analog electronics as well as signals and systems. Okay, so sensors plays an important role in our day-to-day lives. In your mobile systems, also many sensors are present. Okay, they may give you information about temperature, altitude, your movement. Okay, similarly accelerations. Okay, similarly your voice, you can able to listen. Okay, so these things are captured from the real world monitoring. Okay, so that things you can convert it into the digital one with the help of analog to digital systems. So analog to digital systems will play a intermediary role in your analog electronics. Okay, AE subject, you learn about the different kind of transistors. Okay, similarly different kind of circuitries. Okay, so with the help of you can able to convert the physical quantity into the electrical one. Okay, you can convert the physical quantity into the electrical one. Okay, that electrical signals are analog in nature. That analog signal are get converted into the digital one with the help of analog to digital system, and that digital data will be available for you as a data in your computer systems. Okay, so from that you can do analysis, you can do modifications. ओके आप उसके द्वारा एनालाइज कर सकते हो. सो आगे के नए नए सब्जेक्ट अभी मार्केट में आ गए हैं, डेटा साइंस, मशीन लर्निंग, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स, एम्बेडेड सिस्टम्स. ओके, सो योर रोल में बी स्टार्टेड हियर. ओके, तो आप ये रोल में आते हो तो एज अ आईटी इंजीनियर यू कैन डू द प्रोग्रामिंग. some of the IT engineer may work in hardware. Some of the IT and computer engineer may work with the synchronism. They may work with the ENTC engineer along with all these activities. Okay, so computer systems will be your role. Okay, you can write a program. Okay, with the help of that program you can shape that data, you can do many kind of analysis, and you can deliver the result. Okay, so that result again we have to pass it to the real world. Okay, so that's why with the help of again that computer system we can pass it that data to the digital to analog systems. There are converters that help you to convert your digital data into the analog one, and that analog data we will deliver it to the real world controlling point of view. So there are many kind of actuators are there. With the help of actuators we will transfer it to the real world. Okay, you can able to listen it, you can able to visualize it, you can able to observe it with the help of different kind of indicators. Okay, there are many things are available that you can able to deliver your data to the real world. Okay, so that's why the real world means the people. Okay, the real world means the people can able to understand your things. Okay, so that's why this is the main motive. Okay, this is the main objective of this subject. Okay, now we will go for understanding here why or what is the use of digital electronics. Okay, now question is here, डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कहाँ कहाँ मैं ऑब्जर्व कर सकता हूँ. ओके, इन माय डे टू डे लाइफ यू कैन ऑब्जर्व इट. इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू देयर मे बी अ मोबाइल. मोबाइल भी एक डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का ही सेक्शन है. आपके पास डिजिटल कैमरा होगा, या आपके पास माइक होगा, स्पीकर होगा, या सीपीयू या लैपटॉप होगा. ओके, दैट इज अ डिजाइन विद द हेल्प ऑफ digital electronics, microprocessor, microcontrollers, okay, embedded systems. Okay, it may be a dedicated device, desktop applications. Okay, so in our household, industrial, and in surrounding there are many type of items are available, many types of accessories you can able to see that utilizes the digital electronics. Okay, it could be a laptop, your televisions, your remote controls, okay, or any other entertainment devices, in your kitchens also. Okay, जहां आप किचन में जाते हो खाना वगैरह लेने के लिए, तो वहां पर many kitchen appliances like dishwasher, washing machines, वगैरह, microwave oven, they are also designed with the help of digital electronics. Okay. Similarly, you can able to see ट्रैफिक लाइट सिस्टम, ऑटोमेटिक सॉफ्टी कॉर्नर्स, जो आप डीमार्ट वगैरह अगर गए होगे या रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म, रेलवे स्टेशन पर गए होगे, तो आपको सॉफ्टी कॉर्नर्स, चॉकलेट वेंडिंग मशीन्स, कोक वेंडिंग मशीन्स, टिकट वेंडिंग मशीन्स आर अवेलेबल, एटीएम्स हैं, ओके, कैश काउंटर मशीन से, पेट्रोल, अगर आप व्हीकल चला रहे हो तो पेट्रोल पंप पर तो 100% गए होंगे, वहां पर भी डिजिटल मशीन्स वहां पर अवेलेबल हैं। नहीं तो आपने कभी जेरोक्स लिया ही होगा, सो दैट्स व्हाई जेरोक्स मशीन इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल, प्रिंटर, स्कैनर्स, एयर कंडीशनर, ओके, जो भी आपके सराउंडिंग में थिंग्स अवेलेबल है वह मेड अप ऑफ डिजिटल थिंग्स, ओके. So that's why we will say the digital electronics is present everywhere, okay, but it utilizes different kind of technology, okay. उसमें जो हार्ट है वो तो डिजिटल का ही हार्ट रहेगा, but it utilizes a synchronism of microprocessor, microcontroller, computer system, laptop, tab, everything, okay. So that's why these things are available in your surrounding, okay. So that's why here we will say the digital electronics is adopted by many things, okay. Almost in all devices we use on daily basis makes use of digital electronics in some capacity. Digital electronics simply refer to any kind of circuit that uses digital signals rather than analog, okay. It is constructed using circuits, calls, logic gates, each of which perform different functions. The circuit will make use of different components that are all standard, but they are put together in different combination to achieve different desired result, okay. It circuits will also include resistors, diodes, which are used to control the current and voltages. You already learn about the voltage and current levels, okay. So that's why here what are the basic of digital electronics. So that's why here 7 things are there that are telling you here these things are the basics of digital electronics, like number system, representations, Boolean algebra, logic gates, gate level, combinational logic, flip-flop, sequential circuits, registers, counters, memory, and programmable logic gates, okay. So these are the different basics of digital electronics. Now, various applications that you can find in your surrounding, okay, that I already told you, okay. Generally here, again, I am telling you here, you can see the digital electronics are the part of all electronic devices, okay. Whatever the electronic devices which you find, okay, are the part of your digital electronics or digital circuits, okay. It can be used for designing display of your watch, counter, timer, okay. We use digital circuits in complex processing, okay, like rocket science and quantum computing. Similarly, digital circuits are also used in traffic light, automatic glass doors in offices and in restaurants, okay. So these are the different applications that you can find in your surrounding, okay. Now here some questions that are in my mind that I told you here. First is, what are digital circuits used for, okay. What are digital circuit used for, okay. So a digital circuit is used for transmission of power to an electronic device. It can be used to perform different operations based on the input which is given to the electronic circuit. Remember, okay. Similarly, how does digital circuit works? Now remember, the digital circuit is working over the ones and zeros. Okay, or you can say in terms of signal, it is a discrete value. Okay, so that's why 0 and 1 are the main fundamental of digital circuits. So digital circuits are working over zeros and 1. Okay, an analog to digital converter can be used to convert the analog signal to digital values. Okay, similarly, what makes a circuit digital? Okay, what makes a circuit digital? A circuit that produces digital signal is called digital circuit. Okay, as I already told you, there are two types of digital signal. Okay, like 0 and 1. Okay, so that's why the 0 and 1 which are generated with the help of that circuit, okay, is called a digital circuit. Okay, so that's why it works on discrete value. Digital circuit are required in all important electronic devices like mobile, calculators, and computers. Okay. Similarly, one question is, what is a circuit made of? Okay. So remember, a digital circuit is made up of different type of logic gates like AND, OR, NOT, XOR. These logic gates are known to you. Okay. Digital circuits are made up of two types of component, which are active component and passive component. Some of the important components on the digital circuits are resistor, transistor, inductor, capacitor, and many more. Okay. So remember, digital circuit is designed, means whatever the logic gate that I told you, and or not XOR, how I will generate the digital gates. Okay, digital gates आया कहाँ से? तो digital gates आया है मुझे यहाँ पर with the help of resistor, transistor, inductor, capacitor. Okay, उसके combination से मुझे logic gates मिलता है. Logic gates के द्वारा मैं उसे आगे वहां पर मुझे फ्लिप फ्लॉप या फिर रजिस्टर्स, मेमोरीज डिजाइन कर सकता. ओके, why do we use circuits? Okay, circuits can be used for performing multiple tasks. Okay, हम circuits क्यों use कर रहे हैं? Circuits are used to perform a multiple task. You can also use circuits to supplement non-electrical sources. Electrical circuits are mainly used for transporting electric power to different electronic devices. Okay, so these are the different questions related to the digital electronics as well as the circuits. Okay, but remember, okay, all these things are showing you digital. Okay, so that's why the digital signals are of two types like ones and zeros. Okay, so that's why here we are going to start our unit 1. Okay, but in the next lecture we will start it. Okay, so we will starting from the binary. Okay, so what is a binary? What is the importance of the binary, decimal, hexadecimal? Okay, all these things I will cover it one by one. Okay, and then I will turn toward the sign, unsigned, fixed, floating point number, and all these things that I will cover it one by one. Okay, now I hope you listen all these things very carefully. Okay, so do you have any questions in your mind? You can ask me very freely. Yes, anyone? Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
ओके, आपको करिकुलम समझा? ओके, आई होप मैंने करिकुलम बताया आपको क्या लर्न करना है। ओके, टोटल 5 यूनिट रहेंगे। ओके, और हम एक एक करके यहाँ उसे देखेंगे। ओके, मोस्टली आपको यह सारी बातें मैं एक एक करके यहाँ पर स्टार्ट करूंगा अभी नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से। ओके, दिस इज अबाउट द बेसिक्स थिंग्स and why you need the digital circuits and digital electronics fundament. Okay, so I think it will be enough for today. Okay, so if you have any point that you have to discuss with me, you can discuss it, no problem. एक लड़के ने ऐसा नाम लिखा है, गोरे है शायद, उसने कर्सिव में लिखा है नाम। अगर आप उसको अच्छी तरह अगर लिखोगे तो मुझे शायद उसकी अटेंडेंस लगाते आएगी। ये जो बच्चा है, ये कौन है? प्रदीप है क्या ये? हाँ, प्रदीप गोरे। बेटा, आपका रोल नंबर अगर आप डालोगे तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा होगा, आपका अटेंडेंस जल्दी से लगा पाऊंगा मैं, नहीं तो मुझे पूरी लिस्ट में ढूंढना पड़ेगा आपका नाम। वेरी गुड। ओके, तो अगर आपने बहुत अच्छा नेमिंग किया है, AC_IT_रोल नंबर और उसके आगे आपका नाम। अगर आप ये स्टाइल अगर कंटिन्यू रखोगे तो इट